Hi everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video to talk about the illuminators. So I had a couple of questions about where people should put that. And in general, you want to put the illuminators on the high parts of your face or the high points of your face. So top of the cheekbones, maybe a little bit on the bridge, Cupid's bow, and I'll show you how to do that. So this is my rose gold highlighter, and this is a great color for almost everybody. And it works well in summer as well as fall, winter. If you're very fair and sort of have pink undertones, you might want to go with Angel. I like to play around with a few different colors, but rose gold is a really good one to start with because it goes so well with most skin tones. So I'm just going to take the smaller end of my brush and pop it on there and go right on top of my cheekbones. So this is a very subtle shimmer. It's not too glittery, it's subtle, but it will give you a glow. And I really love that dewy look. It makes your skin look more youthful. And a lot of people think that mature women should not wear any shimmer at all, that they should go with matte. Totally disagree with that for myself. Everybody has to figure out what looks best for you. And also light makes a big difference. Where you live, the kind of light that is in the area of the country where you live can make a really big difference also. But I love a little bit of illuminator. I feel like it helps to scatter light and hide some of my lines. So around eyes, most people like to put the illuminator right under the brow here. Because I have deep set eyes and I have lots of skin under my brow, I put it above to highlight my eyes, because if I put anything shimmery here on this part of my eye, it highlights my skin and takes away from my eyes, so I don't want to do that. I like shimmer on my lids, a little bit under, to really, light up my eyes. But for my eye shape with all this real estate I have here under my brow, I don't like any shimmer right there. So I put mine kind of right on top of the brow, just to bring attention to my eyes, but not to specifically to the skin under my eyes. Another nice place to put it is right in the inner corner of the eyes, and you can use your pinky finger for that also. So wherever you put this, it's gonna bring a little extra light to that area. Cupid's bow is a really nice place to have a little of this shimmer. And that's about it. So use it judiciously. You don't want to put it all over your face, or it will take away the shadows that will be there that will kind of help make your cheekbones pop. But I do like that it gives me a little glow, a little dewy look. I think that's, definitely more youthful, pretty look rather than just kind of dry and matte. Some people, and again, this depends on the light. You can put it on, test it outside in the sun, wherever you're going to be. But if for people on TV, like older women that have chest wrinkles and things, they will put shimmery stuff on there just to scatter the light. And then when they're in the light, you can't really see it. You just see this sort of shine, and it helps to cover that up. So sometimes I'll put it on my neck. And that's about it. It's really easy, and it adds a lot of punch, a lot of light to your face. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this is helpful. Take care. Bye-bye.